Welcome to Pathshala. Welcome to this session. So today we will be doing I and you. Yes, it's a festive season now. All of you might be celebrating your festivals and you are staying at your home. So today we will do something different. Today we will do I, you. I, you. So how will we show I? We say I to whom? I, you, you. So say with me, I, you, you. I is capital I. And what's the spelling of you? Y-O-U. You. So how will we show I? Like this. So all of you practice with me. I, you. I, you. I, you. We say I am not a boy or girl or teacher or doctor or any other word. We say our names also. I am Shubhra. I am Maya. I am Mohit. And so we say our names also with I am, and the other people's name with you are. You are Ravi. You are Sunny. You are Anya. You are Mohit. So today we have learned the use of I and you. And we have also learned that we use am with I and are with you. So go on practicing I am, you are. And enjoy this festival season. So we will again meet in the next video. So what will you do? You will subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends and give this video a thumbs up. So until next video, bye-bye.